So your iPhone app is stuck on loading. So if we go over to my latest game that I'm downloading, so GTA Vice City, right, as you can see, it is currently stuck on loading. Now there is a couple of different things that we can try to fix this. Now currently I am not connected to a Wi-Fi network, so this could be one of the reasons why. So what you need to do is try and connect to a Wi-Fi network if this is happening to you. Also what we can do is click and hold down on it, and then you can also click on cancel download. Once you click on cancel download, you will then be able to click on it to reinitiate the download, and then click on the download button or select later on Wi-Fi. So if we click on download, it will then stick again on loading. If that doesn't work, what we can do is click and hold down again, and you will now see an option for prioritize download. Select this, and then what that will do is if there is any further updates or downloads happening on your iPhone, this app will be the first to download on your device. So it's just that simple, guys. You can try those 3 different things in order to fix the problem that you're having. Hopefully this works for you. If it does, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.